Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is September 2nd, Thursday. Um, Last day of school for the week, and then we have the long weekend. So, uh, good deal. I hope everybody's had a great second day of, or a second week of school. Um, what I would like to do today, okay, so my 7th and 8th grade classes are kind of on different spots. In different spots. Some of you have done a few of these assignments, some of you haven't done some of the assignments. What I would like you guys to do when you log into your um, Canvas page today, I want you to look at your grades. I have done my grades in Canvas are up to date. I'd like you to look at your grades, see if you have any zeros. Okay, if you have a 0, that means that you have not completed your assignment for a specific day. Okay, if you have like a 3 or a 4 out of 5, um, that means that on the do now, you didn't write in a complete sentence, or you didn't use proper punctuation or capitalization. Okay, so we need to make sure that you're not cutting yourself short. Okay, make sure you do the complete sentence and don't get lazy. Okay, so for today, I want you to go find anything that you have missed. Okay, and we need to get caught up. Get those things turned in so that I can get them graded, and you guys will be all set that way. Okay, should just be really easy stuff. Should be able to, just flip to it in your book. Maybe listen to the video that is associated with that specific assignment, and we're moving forward. Okay, one other thing that I need you to do today. Okay, so this is our second week of school, and we started to jump into the Read 180 software with the independent reading and also the student application. I need you guys to get a reading log turned in. Okay, so after you've read your independent book today, you need to get your reading log turned in. Please make sure that you're taking this serious, guys. Okay, this right here is what will help you to increase your scores. Okay, taking the student software, taking the just the do now seriously, writing and thinking in complete thoughts and sentences, um, and then retaining what you've been reading. Okay, so let's just make sure that we're going the extra mile. Don't take shortcuts. Okay, guys, let's leave it at that. So once again, today you are finding anything that you have missed. You're getting it turned in, and we're going from there. And then also, obviously, we will make sure to get 15 to 20 minutes of independent reading first, so that we can get the reading log done, and then student application. Okay, awesome, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.